Gonna get into trouble. Yeah.
What's up, Daddy?
Look, he got his ear hole covered. Kevin got his ear hole covered.
Yes, I did.
Yes, he
Thanks for
did.
noticing, Pops.
Doopy doopy. Yes, this is my mornings. Playing and dancing with the birds.
We
Get
love
the
it, Daddy.
birds ready. And go poopies. Go. Oh, no! Ah,
What did I
you
do?
saw that, right? That almost got me on my head.
Well,
Seven pooped
actually,
in the
it did get you,
bowl, but when I
Daddy.
said poop, it triggered Bunky to poop. And he almost pooped on my head.
Hey guys, editing Chris here. I just want to explain to you what happened in case you didn't realize what was going on there. Both my boys are trained to go poop when I say poopies. So I saw Seven had to go, so I put him over to sink and I say poopies. Not even thinking, hey, Bunky's on my head. And he's hearing the same word. So here I am fixated on Seven pooping in the sink. Meanwhile, Bunky's hearing it and as you saw, he pooped on my head. Yep.
That was very close, bud. He didn't get me, right?
Yeah, I definitely got you, Daddy. Sorry.
Alright. That was a close one, bud.